Hi guys, I am Mahmoud. In this video, I will show how to install npm and NodeJS in Linux and Ubuntu properly in recommended way from official documentation. If you are new to this channel, I will be glad to see you as a new subscriber. Now I am going to start by thanking you in advance. Please watch this video till the end. Let's get started. And install Node.js using package manager, and before that you must install npm in your system. So open a new terminal and type this command: to install node package manager. Enter your password. Okay, now type Y to continue installation, and this will take some time. Okay, npm installed successfully. Now test the installation with this command: npm dash dash version. Okay, now test the node version. Okay, browse this URL and you will see node latest LTS version. Now use this command to install a package name n. Use this command with sudo privilege. Okay, now just type NLTS, and this command will install node latest LTS version in your system. Use sudo privilege. Okay, installed successfully. Now test node version and see. Close the terminal and reopen. Now test node version and you will see you have installed latest node LTS version. If you get help from this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe this channel to get such video. Thanks again.